Your home's front door is more than just an entryway, it's a statement piece. In Rockford, where neighborhoods range from historic districts to modern developments, selecting the right door style is one of the most effective ways to enhance curb appeal and create harmony with the surrounding community. Whether you're replacing an outdated entry door or upgrading for better energy efficiency, choosing a style that complements your neighborhood's aesthetic ensures your home feels welcoming, cohesive, and timeless. Why door style matters in Rockford. Rockford's neighborhoods are known for their diversity, from charming older homes with character to sleek, modern residences. Because the door is one of the first things visitors notice, it plays a central role in how your property fits into its surroundings. Curb appeal. A well-chosen door boosts visual appeal and can increase property value. Neighborhood harmony. The right style complements nearby homes, maintaining community charm. Personal expression. While blending in, your door still allows you to showcase your unique taste. Balancing individuality with neighborhood aesthetics is the key to making the best choice. Classic doors for historic charm. If your Rockford home is located in one of the city's older or more historic neighborhoods, a classic door style may be the perfect match. Wooden entry doors. Rich wood tones and traditional paneling reflect timeless craftsmanship. Glass inserts. Decorative glass panels add elegance while staying true to historic aesthetics. Arched or paneled designs. These highlight the architectural heritage common in older Rockford homes. Classic doors honor your home's history while providing modern functionality and security. Modern styles for contemporary neighborhoods. For homes in Rockford's newer subdivisions or urban-inspired developments, sleek and modern door styles can enhance a fresh, contemporary look. Clean lines. Minimalist designs with flush panels offer a streamlined appearance. Steel or fiberglass materials. Durable and low maintenance, these are popular choices for modern homes. Bold colors. Deep blues, blacks, or even vibrant reds can make your entryway a striking focal point. Modern doors align perfectly with updated home designs while making your property stand out. Transitional styles for mixed neighborhoods. In areas where architectural styles vary, transitional doors provide the best of both worlds. Combination of materials. Blending wood with glass or metal creates versatility. Subtle detailing. Clean designs with just enough decorative elements fit seamlessly into diverse neighborhoods. Neutral colors. Shades like gray, taupe, or white keep the look adaptable. Transitional door styles allow your home to feel cohesive with a wide range of surrounding aesthetics. Functional considerations. While style is crucial, function should never be overlooked. Choosing a door that matches Rockford's weather and lifestyle is just as important as its appearance. Energy efficiency. Insulated doors help maintain indoor comfort during cold winters and hot summers. Durability. Weather-resistant finishes protect against Rockford's seasonal shifts. Security features. Strong frames, quality locks, and reinforced glass ensure peace of mind. When combined with the right style, these functional features add lasting value to your home. Professional guidance matters. With so many options, working with a professional installer ensures you choose the perfect door for your Rockford home. Experts can assess your home's architecture and recommend complementary styles. Help you select materials that balance beauty with durability. Ensure proper installation for maximum performance and longevity. This guidance makes the process stress-free while guaranteeing results that enhance both your home and your neighborhood. Final thoughts. In Rockford, where neighborhoods are as diverse as the people who live in them, choosing the right door style is a powerful way to boost curb appeal and maintain community charm. From classic wooden designs to sleek modern styles and versatile transitional options, the perfect door balances aesthetics with durability and function. By investing in a door that matches your neighborhood's character while reflecting your personal taste, you'll create a welcoming entryway that stands the test of time. With professional installation, your new door will not only look great but also add long-term comfort, security, and value to your Rockford home.